Well, good morning. It is tournament day. We're out here on the river section. Look at that beautiful sunrise coming up. Not sure if you guys can see me. I'm sure you can. We got enough daylight here. But today is the Watts Bar Kayak Anglers Tournament on Watts Bar Lake. So I was going to go to Chickamauga and fish a tournament down there, but decided to come here this morning instead. Decided the last minute to join these guys, and now I make number 16, I think, on Kayak, on Anglers. So we're gonna come out here. I'm the only one here at the ramp, which could be a good thing, could be a bad thing. I don't know, but hoping to go out here and smash some. Alex Rudd is actually in the same tournament. I saw his name on the list. I talked to him. He's up the lake a little ways, but he said he might join me down here a little bit later. And but yeah, anyway, let's get on the water. I saw some topwater activity going on, so we're gonna start off with some topwater. It's exactly 6:20 in the morning. Line's in at 6:30, I believe. So yeah, let's get after it. 5 fish. Line's out at 2:30, and then we gotta be at check-in at 4 o'clock. So we got plenty of time. Check-in's not too far from here. Or at least I don't think it is, if I remember correctly. I might have to double check that. But anyway, I know line's out is at 2:30, and I got plenty of time to get to check-in by 4 o'clock. So, all right, let's get after it. We're gonna run 2 cameras today. We're gonna run the overhead camera, and we're gonna run this camera on my chest, like we did in the last video. I kind of like that. It's a little bit better. You guys can hear me a little bit more, and yeah. So if I could just figure out how to get my chest mount to be all nice and straight there, so you guys are not looking at me like this. But anyway, let's get after it. All right, here we go. Power pole up. Oh boy, oh, hit that thing right there. I'm not careful. Oh shoot, told you. I knew he was going to hit that stump. Pushed off a little too hard there. That dummy. About ended up in the water. I've been pretty good, wasn't it? Yeah, I've been out here on the water 5 minutes and already done dumped myself in the water. I've been good. Same waypoint. I bet this is the same fish from the last video. I almost bet this is the same fish from last video. Exact same spot from the last video. I caught that fish on the same log. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. I bet that's the same fish. So we just confirmed this is definitely the same fish. So there's the hole from the first time, and over here's the hole from today. No, that's the hole from the first time. This is the hole from today. Wow. See, 15 3/4. I'm gonna take him back over there. I'm gonna take him right back over there and put him right back on that log. Yep, a pet fish. That's what I'm gonna call him. I'm gonna call him George. I'm gonna name him George. All right, George. Buddy, up there off that log right there. All right, George. We'll see you later, buddy. There you go. Go back over your log. There we go. Oh man, he came off. How the heck did he come off? There he is. Oh no! Broke my stupid line. Look there, he just came up right over there. Wow. My hook's in his mouth. It's a wacky worm. Oh, here we go. Hang on. Little one, but he might keep. Hang on a second, Brad. Well, there we are, guys. Got our, I think it's our second keeper. Got him on the 48. His butthole's poking. I don't even know if he'll measure. Let's see. Yep. I think he's going to measure 12 inches. Let's see here. Oh, no, he's not going to measure 12 inches. Oh, yeah, he will. Yeah, he will. Boy, these river largies are, whew, these river largies are kind of mean. But they'll put up a fight. Hooked him right there, perfect. Right where you want them. Third fish, finally. We're finally getting somewhere here. Yeah, there's definitely some big fish in here. Oh, there we go. Oh. Well, guys, it's now 12 o'clock, and I do not have a limit. If I would have gotten the fish in that I have hooked today, I would have a decent limit right now. I just lost an absolute giant. I've lost 3 other kind of mediocre keepers, you know, 14, 15 inch range. And yeah. So I'm just, I'm not having a good day, but it is what it is. We try to overcome it. Keep on grinding, and try to come away with at least a limit, at least 5 fish. I mean, at this point, I just want to catch 5 fish. You know, I need 3 good ones. I need 3 good ones to place in the money. And what I mean by good ones, they need to be over 15 inches. Like, I need 3 over 15 inches to place in the money. That's just the way it is. Oop, there's one, I think. Yep. Oh, there we go. Oh my, did he come off? No, he did not come off. Oh, he's got another one with him. There's 2. He's got another one with him. All right, guys, here we go. And I see there's another one down there. So let's hurry up and get him up on the board. Get him measured. He's gonna be over 15 inches. All right, there we go. Cool. Sweet. All right. I was just saying, we're gonna keep grinding. We're gonna get through this. That's what we needed. I don't know if it's against the rules to put him in the net and cast in there and see if I catch the other one, but just in case it is, we're gonna go ahead and get him up on the board now. Yeah, he's over 15 3/4 to be exact. All right, guys, there's one last look at him. So he's out of here. All right, let's see if we catch his buddy, because there was another one with him and he was just about the same size as him. He was not no little fish. So maybe it was a male and a female or something on the bed. Right underneath that tree. Right underneath that tree. Ooh. That one just came up out of nowhere and attacked it. Hey, you know what? That's the smallest fish. That's the smallest fish right there. I think we got small fish. I forgot to do the small fish pot. That's a little guy. That is a little guy right there. There we go. Oh, stay down. Stay down. I got his buddy. I got his buddy. I got the second one I saw. Heck yeah, they were on the bed. Yes, that's awesome. That's awesome. Look at there. Right on the roof of the mouth. Perfect. That is awesome. Yep, got the second one. The one that I saw that was with him. All right, guys, that's a limit. That is a limit. And he's going to be over 15 inches as well. So, that's awesome. Well, he's going to be close. He's going to be right at 15. So... we are done with the tournament. We did a check-in, and yeah, so we're done. We got beat today. Just plain and simple, got beat. tried to get a bigger bite. I was throwing around that mag draft after I got my limit. I made a long pedal out to a point that has been good to me several times, and they were not there. The fish were not there. That spot is normally good for at least one 20-incher. I mean, easily. I've caught multiple 19s and 20s and 21s on that area, and they just weren't there. So picked up the mag draft, started throwing around the mag draft, and just trying to get a big bite, and I got hit on it, but they just weren't taking it. I think they were smaller fish. But yeah, it is what it is. We'll get them on the next one. But yeah, I'm enjoying fishing this series, the Watts Bar Kayak Anglers series. They allow motors. I'm probably going to put a motor on my kayak at some point, sometime, just so I can make those long runs and get there quickly and not be so tired when I get there. Yeah, I really would like to put a motor on my kayak to help me in this series. But anyway, it is what it is, guys. We're gonna close out today's video. We finished 4th place today out of 15 anglers, so we got 4th, 1 spot out of the money. Thought I was gonna get little fish. I had an 8.5 incher and somebody had a 7.5 incher, so they ended up taking the $50 gift card for the smallest fish. So yeah, come away just short of getting paid today. Story of my life. But anyway, congratulations to all the winners. I forget their names, and congratulations to those guys. I know some of them watch this channel. Guys, have a great day, and we will see you on the next one.